Be strong.
Hey guys, this is Tushar from Concept1. In this video, we are going to see how we can resolve the Play Store error 960-505-194. Now, first let's see for the error 960. Now, this error mostly occurs at the time of installation or downloading. So, if you want to know more about the error, then check our article, link is given below. Now, your first step should be to head over settings and look for app and notifications. Now tap on Google Play Store and open Storage and Cache. Now simply tap on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Now look for Google Services Framework and repeat the steps. But in case this step is not working for you, then simply head over to System and tap on Reset Options and choose Erase All Data. Now keep in mind that this will erase all your user data and make your phone like new. Now let's see how to resolve the error 505. Simply open the settings and head over to System. Now tap on System Updates and check if there is any system update available. In case there is no system update available, then come back and open Apps and Notifications. Now look for Download Manager. Now you see we made a mistake, we did not select Show System. So simply go back and tap on it for the Download Manager to be visible. Once found, tap on Permissions and give it the storage permission. Now to resolve the error 194, simply head over to Storage and clear some space. Now keep in mind that if you want to know more about these errors, then check our article, link is given below. So this was all today guys. Put any of your query in the comment section below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. But if you want to see more useful videos, then check out our YouTube channel.